Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be looking at Instagram Stories. This is the top section of your Instagram feed. So if you're new to Instagram Stories where you don't know how to use it or how to view other people's posts, then this is the right video for you. And this is the third part of the whole Instagram series which I have created. If you go through my channel, you'll be able to see my other videos where I have an introduction video and a video on how to use Instagram. It's like a beginner's guide to Instagram, so please check those out. I'll place a link at the top right of this video. So what is Instagram Stories? This is a feature in Instagram that lets you share all your moments of your day. The photos and the videos will disappear after 24 hours. So how do you post on Instagram Stories? On your Instagram home feed, tap on the camera at the top left of the screen or swipe from left to right. Then tap on the shutter button to take a photo or long press to record a video in normal mode. You have other modes which you can use as well, which is live, create, normal, boomerang, layout, super zoom, and hands-free. The most common one is your boomerang and normal mode. Boomerang allows you to take burst photos that loop forward and backward. Throughout its life, Instagram will continue to add new features for users to use. So after you've taken your photo or video, you can customize your posts even more by adding these amazing effects. The first one is adding an animation to the post by tapping on this smiley face. You can scroll through the different effects Instagram offers and choose the one you like. Once you finish adding your animation, press done. The next feature is adding a link to your post by tapping on the chain. Here you'll be able to link IGTV videos with your stories. You can add custom web links, but for that you need to have more than 10,000 followers on your Instagram. The third one is Save Post feature, where you can save your post to your camera roll. Your fourth feature is your stickers, where you can have many different types of stickers on your post. You can choose location, poll, questions, or GIF, and many others. Each stickers will have a different function, so you'll need to try it in order to find out what it does. This makes your story look more interesting and appealing. Your fifth feature is your doodle, where you can draw on your post with different colors. You can choose different types of doodles, and you can also erase if you make a mistake. Your sixth one is a last feature, which is adding text to your post. Instagram will let you customize the style, size, and the color of your text. Once you're happy with your creation, you can go ahead and press your story at the bottom left to post a story, or if you want to send it to a selected few, then select Close Friends. You will need to have created a close friend list to use that option. The other option, Send To, this is where you can select the users you want to send your stories to. How do you view yours or other users' stories? When you post a photo or a video to your story, a colorful ring will appear around your profile picture on your profile page and your home feed page, and you can tap on it to see your story. If you want to see other people's stories, then whoever you are following, tap on their profile picture, which will display next to your profile picture on your home feed. When navigating through their stories, Instagram allows you to reply to their stories by taking a photo or sending a message. You can skip to the next story by tapping on the right hand side of the screen, and to rewind their story, tap on the left hand side of the screen. If you want to freeze their story, then just tap on the post and keep pressing to freeze the post. You can take a screenshot of their story, but the person who posted the story will be notified. Other things which you can do with your Instagram stories. You can see who have watched your story by going into your story and swiping up. You can share your Instagram feed to your Instagram story. This can be done by going into your profile page, selecting a feed or a post, and tapping on the share icon that looks like a paper airplane, and then tapping on add video or post to your story. Once you do that, you have the chance to customize it with text, brushes, and stickers. And that is what Instagram Story is and how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Check out my other videos to get more in-depth tutorials about Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media app tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.